Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add a Visa gift card to an iPad. You can use a Visa gift card on your iPad by adding to your Apple ID payment method or using it for individual purchases. Here's how. Number one, check the card. Ensure your Visa card is activated and has enough balance. Now, some Visa gift cards must be registered online with a billing address before use. Check the sticker instructions on the card. Number two, add the Visa gift card to your Apple ID. Open settings on your iPad. Tap the Apple ID name at the top where it says Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Select Payments and Shipping. Tap Add Payment Method. Choose credit or debit card. Enter the Visa gift card details, that is the card number, expiration date, and CVV code, and billing address if required. Tap Done to save it. Number three, use the Visa gift card for App Store or subscription purchases. Once added, your iPad will use the Visa gift card balance to pay for apps, games, subscription, or media until the balance runs out. Number four is an alternative. Use it directly for purchases. Some apps or online stores allow you to enter gift card information manually at checkout without saving it to your Apple ID. You can enter the Visa gift card like a normal debit or credit card. Here are some important tips. If your purchase is more than the card balance, Apple may decline the transaction. You cannot split payments between two cards automatically. Always keep track of the remaining balance if you plan to use the card for multiple small purchases. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you.